Hi,
How are you today?
I'm good
All
today.
right. Nice to meet you. Can you please tell me about yourself?
Okay, my name is Minh Phúc and my nickname is James. I study English in CC Winsmart in class D4, and right now I am grade 9, and my family, they have 4 people in my family. They have me, my brother, my dad, and my mom. Um, yeah.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, sometimes I like to play some games, and also sometimes I play some sport like basketball or football.
All right. That's good. So we've been learning about the human body and the human system and how our body works, right? And we learned about viruses. So what can you tell me about viruses?
Viruses is like a small thing and you cannot see. It have many shape, but when you want to see it, you need to see in the um,
A microscope?
a microscope
Okay.
for scientists to see the virus.
Okay.
And vi- they have they are they have many kind of virus. Example like influenza, COVID-19, and many type of virus.
Okay. All right. All right. Now let's go further. Let's talk about influenza viruses. What can you tell me about them?
Um, influenza virus is um, is have it's like many type of virus. Like it have common cold with um,
So influenza virus causes flu, all right?
yeah.
And some of the symptoms of influenza virus are what? What are
Mm,
some of the symptoms of influenza viruses?
symptom.
Symptoms, yeah. Does it include sore throats, sneezing,
It's
coughing,
yes, it's
body aches?
yeah.
All right, these are symptoms of the influenza virus. And what can we do to avoid getting this virus? What can we do to avoid catching them?
Actually, like when we are when we are touching or smelling a dirty thing, so
Okay.
the virus gonna come out. We like playing some we playing sport, but we didn't wash the hands, so we gonna got
Okay,
the
so it's
virus.
very good for us to protect ourselves. We need to wash our hands regularly and do exercises, wear nose mask, and avoid people who have these symptoms. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's talk about how our bodies protect us from these viruses. How do our body protect us from these viruses?
Um, our body have uh in our body when the virus come to our body, we have um like the virus that protect us, the
Bacteria, you
yeah,
mean?
the bacteria. It's help like when the virus is come to our body, the bacteria are gonna fight with them.
The good bacteria, you
Yeah,
mean, right? Okay.
and it help our body to protect. It protect our body.
It's called immunity.
Yeah,
All right. It
but
gives our body immunity against other viruses. All right.
but some virus they are strong, so we need to um, have a vaccine to have more uh, good,
Protection.
yeah, to have protection to help our body to like fight with the bad virus.
Okay. So what about when people sneeze and the virus is in the air? What happens? Can you explain the process? How the virus
Oh,
comes into our body and how our body protects us from them?
first one, the virus gonna go to your nose, but we have like in our nose, it have the nose hair. It's gonna like keep the virus in our nose hair, and it have a jaw or something. It's gonna stick the virus in our nose hair, and it's gonna fight with them. But if the virus be strong, they're gonna come to our like mm,
I mean the mucus.
yeah
There's a mucus in our nose. All right.
yeah, and they come to mucus, and then they have like another cell to
Okay, so when it leaves the mucus, it gets into our stomach. So what happens then?
um when it come to our stomach, the acid gonna like kill some virus and protect us, but some virus or be stronger, they're gonna come through our blood. So at that time, you have the white blood
White blood cells.
cell.
Okay.
It's
So
gonna
the white
protect
blood
us.
cells is the last layer of defense. Okay. Now let's talk about the respiratory system. What organs are responsible for the respiratory system?
I can see in here, it have nose, it have trachea, it have lungs and diaphragm.
All right. The nose, the trachea, the lungs, and the diaphragm. And what about the circulatory system?
Circulatory system is when it's come to our
No, what organs are part of the circulatory system?
the organ.
Yeah. Or what systems encompass the circulatory system encompasses? What's the first one?
The,
Capillaries.
the first one is capillary
What else?
and heart
The heart, yeah.
and the lungs.
No. Circulatory system. The
Oh, and the
capillaries,
veins.
the veins, the heart, and one more,
Um,
the arteries.
oh,
Okay. Now, how do the respiratory system and the circulatory system work together? Let's start from our nose. How do they work together?
um, in our nose, like when the breath is gonna come to our nose and
When you're
go,
breathing air,
yeah,
right?
and it's gonna go to a diaphragm, and
When you're breathing air, it goes to your diaphragm, or when you're breathing air, your diaphragm expands to take in the air.
and then
All
they're
right.
gonna
It goes through your nose, in through your trachea, and into your
diaphragm,
no,
the lungs,
the lungs. Very good.
and after that, our lungs gonna like it's
So after that, your lungs takes the air, which is oxygenated, all right, through the capillaries into where?
into a diaphragm, right?
Through the capillaries.
To our heart,
Very good.
and then our heart gonna
Pumps it
pumps it into our
from the capillary, first of all, to the pulmonary vein, all right? And from the pulmonary vein into your heart, left side of your heart, all right? And your heart pumps it through the arteries into the cells in your body. So what happens after that?
after that our heart in our cell gonna
The oxygenated blood in your cells, what happens to it? It works around your body, right?
it's gonna
Making your body healthy. So when that finished working, what happens after that?
it's gonna breathe out and it's calm.
Your cells makes carbon dioxide, all right?
Yeah.
After using that oxygen, it converts it into carbon dioxide. And what happens?
And it's go to a diaphragm.
It goes to your right side of your heart, right?
Yeah. And
your heart pumps it back to your
mouth and
to your
nose.
lungs. and your diaphragm squeezes and your lungs pumps the air out of your mouth or your nose. All right, that's how
Yeah.
it works. Now let's talk about doing exercise and staying healthy. What's your opinion about doing
Uh,
exercise?
Upon my opinion, mean to exercise is like you eating more vegetable
Balanced diet.
balanced diet or fruit, and you need to drink a lot of water, and you're gonna have like exercise some sport to make like you to be stronger and healthy.
Okay, so how about drinking a lot of water?
Uh, about drinking a lot of water, it help you to like to
Stay
stay
hydrated.
hydrated
All
and
right,
have more energy.
and also sleeping and resting very well, right?
Yeah.
And avoiding a lot of screen time. Reduce your screen time, watching TV, mobile phones, or the laptop. All right. Okay, that's the end of your speaking test. Thank you very much.